Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to check out some hair transformations. Loving this mid-length cut for the first one. Her makeup looks so pretty. And then we see someone go from long hair to another gorgeous mid-length cut, followed by someone with tailbone length hair. And she decided to switch it up with a bob. Very chic and stylish. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas and transformations, please be sure to like today's video and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone trying out the mullet. As you guys know, this is a huge trend we're seeing right now. Followed by this pixie haircut transformation, absolutely stunning. And then we have another lob haircut. Love the tousled waves, so pretty. Followed by another mid-length cut. And then we have someone who has decided to take their hair super short. By the way, these are always my favorite kind of videos to watch when the women just completely shave off their hair. I love the fact that she decided to not only shave her hair and go with like this faded look, but she also dyed her hair this beautiful blonde, pink, lavender. Like she just was not afraid to take control and have fun with her hair. And I love when women embrace creativity when it comes to hairstyles. So it looks like we have someone who decided to chop their hair off, head to the salon. So it looks like she not only decided to cut her hair, but also color it. So she did like a beautiful dark bob haircut. Absolutely gorgeous. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed checking out these hair transformations with me. If you did, leave me which one was your favorite in the comments below, and I will check you in the next video.